Ladies and gentlemen, strap yourselves in, because today we're talking about a Porsche 911 that isn't just a car, it's an event, a spectacle, a £1 million ticket to pure automotive theater. This is the Porsche 911 Carrera Coupe, reimagined by Singer, and yes, it cost a jaw-dropping £1.3 million. Now, Singer has always been known for turning the beloved 911 into a piece of rolling art. Every single creation feels like it was carved by angels and blessed by the gods of speed. But this one is different. This one has pop-up headlights. That's right, electronic whack-a-mole lights that the original 1980s 911 never had. They rise, they shine, they steal the show, and they leave you questioning whether you're looking at a car or a piece of $1 million performance theater. But wait, it gets even wilder. Forget about practicality, because the boot space? Gone. Vanished. Erased in the name of style, stance, and absolute perfection. And the price tag? Let's be clear, we're talking hypercar money here. Bugatti, Pagani, Koenigsegg levels of spend. Yet people are still lining up, begging for a chance to call one theirs. Some say it's crazy. Some say it's a masterpiece. I say it's both. Because when you see one of these machines in baby blue with a corduroy interior, you don't just want it, you need it. The only problem? Unless your bank account has 7 digits to spare, you'll be stuck in the same position as me. Stunned, shocked, and about £1.29 million short. So the question is this Singer Porsche a hit or a miss? At over £1 million, it may just be the most gloriously unnecessary car money can buy, and that's exactly why it's unforgettable.